To play it safe, you glue one side first, line up with the line that you marked earlier on. Put glue on the other side and close the page shut. In most cases, you glue the other side when the page is closed shut. Then it will glue at its natural position. Place the two tabs through the two eye slits. Put on glue. Align the central crease with the goulie here, and also the slits align with the edge here, and close shut. You see from the step photos that I roughly marked the center of the tab here. That's because the tab is a little wobbly inside the slit. This is not my dummy, it's just for demonstration. So when I glue it on, I align this crease with the goulie, but still there are chances that I can glue the tab wrong. So I can see if I have glued the center of the tab right on here. You can see from the step photos that the B-fold here is 30 degrees, but of course this one is not 30 degrees because I didn't really do the measurements. But for the real one, it's 30 degrees, and it also lies 30 degrees flat on the base page. That means if it fully opens, it will lie flat on the page. But as you know, in practice, pop-up pieces won't really lie flat. You see? I should have glued the mask a few millimeters higher, but I assumed that when I lie it totally flat, the mask wouldn't clash with the face. But as I said just now, it won't really lie flat, so I could have moved it about 2 millimeters higher. I didn't really measure or calculate the height of the nose or the position of the mouth. I just decided their positions just by common sense with my experience of drawing human portraits. That's about it of my sharing on this mechanism. Look out for other videos on sharing this mechanism and this mechanism as well. Thanks for watching. Bye!